Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a music lover who craves that vintage vibe but wants modern smart features like voice assistants and multi-room playback, tired of speakers that look bland or sound tinny without the power to fill a room, then get excited because today we're grooving with a retro rockstar. It's the JBL Authentics 200 retro style smart home speaker. This stylish speaker has dual tweeters and a woofer for rich sound, built-in Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control, and up to 8 hours of battery life for portable play. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want immersive audio with customizable EQ, Wi-Fi streaming, and a classic leather-wrap design that fits any decor, this is the speaker that'll make your home feel like a concert hall. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's an Authentics must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the JBL Authentics 200 retro style smart home speaker. This is a compact smart speaker with a retro-inspired design featuring a leather-like enclosure, aluminium frame, and quadrex grille for a 70s aesthetic that's both stylish and durable. It has dual 1-inch tweeters, a 5.25-inch woofer, and a passive radiator for powerful 100-watt sound with deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs that fill medium-sized rooms without distortion. It supports built-in Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands to play music, set alarms, or control smart home devices. Plus, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect for seamless streaming from your phone or services. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures stable wireless connections up to 30 feet, and multi-room playback lets you group with other JBL speakers for whole home audio. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 8 hours for portable use, charging via USB-C in about 4 hours, and it has a 3.5mm aux input for wired sources. The JBL One app allows EQ customization with presets or manual adjustments, software updates, and stereo pairing with another Authentics 200 for wider soundstage. It's Wi-Fi enabled for high-res audio streaming, and the top panel has physical knobs for volume, bass, and treble for quick tweaks without the app. Priced around $199, it's lightweight at 7.7 pounds with dimensions of 10.6 inches wide by 6.9 high by 6.9 deep. Available in black or walnut for a vintage look. Versatility is a standout. Use it as a smart home hub with voice assistants for daily tasks, a party speaker with multi-room sync for events, or a portable boombox with battery for outdoor hangs. It's great for blending retro style with modern convenience in any setting. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are grooving strong, rich, powerful sound with deep bass and clarity that doesn't distort at high volumes. Built-in smart assistants for hands-free control and integration. Long 8-hour battery for portable freedom without outlets. Stylish retro design that enhances any room's decor. And easy app EQ with multi-room capabilities for customized listening. Users love how it combines nostalgic looks with punchy JBL audio, the seamless voice control for playlists or smart devices, and the battery that lasts through gatherings. It's reliable, fun, and turns everyday spaces into audio havens. On the con side, the 7.7-pound weight makes it less ultra-portable than smaller speakers. No waterproof rating, so it's best indoors or covered areas. The app is required for advanced features like stereo pairing, which some find basic. And some note bass can be boomy in small rooms, though most say the knobs adjust it well. Overall, pros dominate for home users. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the JBL Authentics 200 retro style smart home speaker if you love music and smart tech, and the pros like sound quality, battery life, and design make sense for you. It's ideal for home entertainers, retro fans, or anyone wanting a speaker that looks as good as it sounds. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your grooves going, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a music friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.